Here's a 2018 Chevy Silverado LT double cab four-wheel drive. One owner, clean CarFax in silver. Well-equipped LT here. We'll get around through and show you some of the options this has. If you've shopped Chevrolets, you know they have an LT1, 2, and 3. So this is one of the mid-level LTs. Just going to kind of go around and show you. You can see it does have a smoked headlamp pod with a high-intensity headlamp. Also has the LED fog lights there in the lower bumper fascia. Chrome on the upper and lower, excluding the grille surround and headlamp surround, gives it a nice look. Continue around to the side, we have your standard alloy wheel here with some Bridgestone dueler tires, about half tread or better here on those. Also can see a nice shiny rotor and a thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of our cars. I'll show you the report here in a bit, but I just wanted to show you, as you can see, it does have leather trim seats with offset white stitching. 40-20-40 fold down split bench seat, allows for 6 passenger seating. Also you can see charcoal interior, got some chrome brushed aluminum embellishments, kind of break up the monotony. I'll show you this report here. You can see we do have the books in the glove box. Always try to make sure we got you guys covered that way. Tires 8s, better than half. Brand new brakes on the front, light new brakes on the rear. You can see everything with the green check mark we went over. We really don't skimp. We want to make sure you guys don't have to put a lot of money in these vehicles after you purchase them. So the used car check will show you everything that was done. You can see it does have the chrome door-to-door 5-inch flat running boards from factory. Also, as we look in the back on the double cab, now we did recline that seat to try to give you contrast, but there is ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for the rear occupants. And then this is, you get the bigger box with the half cab, which is nice. Also, if you can see, there's zero oxidation on the frame rail, which is good. Continuing around to the side, see the LT badging. Does have the tow hitch, full-size brand new spare. We do have the backup camera. See the drop-in Chevy liner there. Step bumpers, chrome. Working our way around to the side. Of course, they're all dueler Bridgestones. No oxidation on that rail either. Full running boards. There you can see with the seat in a normal position. There's enough room there in the back seat for folks. And then through the front, you can see it does have a full power seat on the driver's side, including lumbar. Also has classic positioning of your windows, your locks, and your mirrors there. Also want to show you, we do promise 2 keys. Here they both are, as you can see. And it is equipped with a factory remote start, which is a nice feature as well. Like I say, it's pretty well equipped LT. Let's go ahead, jump in. Start it up here, and while that warms up, show you we keep a copy of the CarFax right on the dash. No accidents or damage to owners. Good looking CarFax. Does have the tow integrated brake controller, electronic shift on the fly four-wheel drive transfer case. There's your automatic headlamp controls. Stem to the left, intermittent wiper washers, high beams turn signals. Has a column shifter here with the tow haul and the ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission. You can see there 22,222 miles. How about that? All 2s. Good poker hand there. We got your cruise control to the left. Got your audio controls, Bluetooth, and your control pad here for the center stack. I'll just kind of toggle through. You see distance still empty. Oil life, tire pressure sensors, tripometers, all controlled right there. AM, FM, satellite radio. It does have the ability to pair your phone. No factory navigation. We do have your audio controls and dual climate control, as you can see, with automatic temperature setting. Also have your heated leather seats, driver and passenger. Traction control and your cargo light. 3 large cup holders there on the center. And you got all your connectivity in here. See a 12-volt power supply, 2 USBs, and an auxiliary. LED map lights. Of course, all GM vehicles equipped with OnStar automatic dimming rear view mirror, LED illuminated visors. So very well equipped. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Hood release is dead center there. See, 5.3 liter V8 engine, tried and true. You know, GM has used this engine for a long time, but you can see it's quiet and clean, no exhaust leaks and no fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the battery terminals. Very well maintained by the previous owner. All right, so just to recap, I showed you mechanical evaluation. 3/4 or so on the tires, brand new front brakes, like new rear brakes, everything that was checked over by the mechanic. Also, I showed you the auto history report, 2 owners, no accidents on the CarFax. That's part of making an informed buying decision is cosmetic appearance. Obviously, it's a used vehicle. It's not going to be perfect. Couple little scuffs there on the door, but all in all, we handpick only the cleanest vehicles that are available to us. We do our very best to return them to like new condition and then sell them to you guys. Vehicles depreciate the most the first 1 to 3 years of ownership. So if you can buy a 2017 that's been completely went over mechanically and cosmetically as this one has, you can save a lot of money over new. Get yourself a new fit and feel of a vehicle at a used car price, and really no bed damage at all, which is atypical. Normally when trucks come in, you're gonna have some dings and dents and scratches around the bed area. Obviously people use them to haul, and this one seems to be ping clean. Haven't noticed a ding or a dent. Front bumper looks good. Thought I saw a couple little dings there on the hood area. But all in all, guys, excellent like new alternative here. Does still have the remainder of the powertrain warranty transferable from Chevrolet to the next owner, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Of course, you can come visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a ring at area code 717-485-4224. Or you can shop 24/7 online at allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.